Where are we at?
We're at the airport.
We are. Where are we headed to?
We're going to Boston and we got us some McDonald's to eat.
Yep, we just got some McDonald's and some gummy bears for our red eye. I can't say our red eye flight. And this is our first time we're going to Boston. We've never been.
Yep.
It'll be exciting.
So we're gonna find some Boston cream pies.
Yes.
And some bagels and some cannolis.
Yeah.
And lots of good Italian food.
Seems like there's lots of great things to do there.
Yeah.
And eat. We are in Massachusetts.
How fun, first time.
How did you sleep on the plane? Yeah?
Alright, I
I
guess.
feel like my legs are super stiff.
Yeah, my knees
And I got
are like
some
busted up.
Bed head. Okay, here's our room.
Okay, welcome. Here's our bathroom.
Here's the bathroom. There's a nice shower. Some fun products. Hey.
Hi.
Here's a closet.
And this in here, this is where we can watch movies.
Yeah. They were so nice and brought our luggage up. I still can't believe that they had a room open
At 7 a.m.
at 7 in the morning.
This is awesome.
So let's check out these views. They said we had a pretty park view. Oh, we totally do. How fun. I'm so excited to go out and explore.
We're gonna go find something for breakfast.
Yes. So here's the cute sitting room. And then here's the king bed. And a TV.
Awesome.
Think we'll have some fun. Okay, I love the Four Seasons. They're so sweet. And look, they just came and brought us this delicious fruit spread. And I already dug into the chocolate croissant. Yum.